Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I welcome you. And if you are my follower, I welcome you. And I thank you for coming back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how living benefit works and why you need it. This video is a continuation of the previous one, how to invest your money. If you have not watched the previous video, please also watch that one so you can understand better where I'm at. Index Universal Life, IUL. That's a new insurance product. In the past, we only had life insurance, and we all know that life insurance is only for when you pass away. The policy benefit will go to your spouse or your children, but that's no longer the case now. Now we have Index Life, Universal Life. What that is the premium that you pay monthly, part of it goes to the life insurance and the other part goes to cash advantage, go to saving, go to investment. So that's the benefit of having the IUL products. You're not simply just paying for life insurance, but you are investing in the money into that account. So how it works is the government gives incentive to policyholders to have this kind of to have life insurance in case of needed. They don't have to fall back on public assistance because they have the policy to carry on to help their family members. So for that reason, when you take out the money from the investment part, it is 100% tax free. 100% tax free. So so that's the beauty of having money in that kind of account. And now we go to the living benefits. So living benefit is you don't have to die to draw your life insurance policy, and you would qualify for this in case if you have you involved in a major car accident, stroke, or cancer, and God forbid if that happened and you cannot perform 2 out of 6 daily activities. Daily activity that would be eating, bathing, dressing, continence, all that basic activities. If you could not perform 2 out of 6, then you would be able to draw out the money from your benefit, and that is called that would call long-term care. You would qualify 2% of your policy. So let's say you have a product of $500,000, $500,000 of policy, and if this happened, then you would be able to get 2% of $500,000 a month. That is $10,000 a month. With that $10,000 a month, it would help so much in paying someone to take care of you, in paying bills, paying things that, because when you no longer can work, when you're disabled, then half of your income is no longer contribute to the household costs. That would take a big toll on your family finance. So with this kind of benefit, this kind of products will definitely help you in case of emergency. And we all know that a majority of us American don't have that kind of saving set aside. Most of us do live paycheck to paycheck, and in my previous video, I mentioned that in order for us to live comfortably and stress-free, is to save the money, put aside 6 months of monthly income away in case of emergency like this. But if you, and that's very important, and this is in addition to that, you can still keep your saving and draw the money from this living benefits, and that way your family is not in financial stress in case you cannot work. And I was introduced to this product a little over a year ago. When I learned about it, I was very fascinated and very, very passionate and to share this product with many others. The reason for that is a lot of us are not prepared for this, and we're just a couple paychecks away from being evicted, being homeless, because we're not prepared for this. So for those who have hundreds of $1,000s saving, then they don't have to worry about this. But for those that have nothing saving, then it's about time to think of this living benefits as something that you need in case things happen. You don't have to go to GoFundMe and ask for help. You don't have to ask for anyone. You have the policy. So it is very, very important to think about that. And also terminal illness. In case of that, you have 1 year to live, then you can also draw the money out, 90% of it, to take care of yourself while in your last stage of life. So if you have different policy, one for life insurance only for your loved ones and one for IUL, that's something that you draw back and draw to in case you need it. So yeah, I'm passionate to share this insurance products to many people, to you, to everyone that I know. And if you are interested in this product, please contact me, and I will go further with the products. Because even though I'm new, but I have a manager who's in the business for almost 15 years, I think about 15-20 years, so she knows very well about the products, and she can help me, help you, help those who want to be helped. So that's all I can. I want to share with you that living benefit is something that you need to look into, and long-term care, because we don't want to wake up one day and have nothing when emergency happens. And as most of you know, that I am a passionate writer. That is my calling. In the last 20 years, I started writing in Vietnamese, and now I write in English. So just last week on May 5th, the book Coming to America, a selection of short stories, just got published online. Coming to America, a selection of short stories. Hopefully next week I will receive the physical book, and I will review the book to you and I'll share with you. There are 11 writers, myself included. We are first immigration generation, and we encounter many obstacles, but many of us have overcome and thriving. That is our that's Vietnamese characters. We've worked hard, and we want to improve our life and thrive and inspire others. So I can't wait for the physical book and to share it with you. So that's what I have for you today, living benefits. And thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you learn a thing or two about living benefit. And if you have any question, comment, please share it with me. And and if you want me to make any other kind of video about finance, please message me and I will do my research and share with you. Thank you. Take care and be safe out there. Bye bye.